Hello kids, today we will learn about metric system. Metric system is the international method for measuring things. So this is what this table looks like. This is the international system for measuring. In this first we have kilo, next is hecto, deca, then comes the meter, liter and gram. This depends which type of thing you are measuring. If you are measuring a length, you will measure in meter. If you are measuring any liquid thing, then it is measured in liter, and when we are measuring any weight, then it is measured in gram. So these all three goes with this. Like if you are going for the length, so it will be a kilometer, hectometer, decameter. Similarly, for if you are going for any drink, it will be a kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, and same for the gram, kilogram, hectogram, decagram. And then afterwards comes the decigram, deci, centi, and milli. So this is what our metric system is all about. Now let's see some more units for measuring length. Now here we have some more units for measuring length. First is our micrometer. Micrometer means the micro term is generally used for very small things. So when we have to measure such things which are very small that we cannot see from our naked eyes, we use this micrometer. Micrometer is represented by a symbol, a U-like symbol, which is read as mu. So 1 mu meter is equals to 1 upon 10 lakh meters. Sorry. So that means when you divide a 1 meter ribbon or 1 meter length tape into 10 lakh parts, then that one part is your 1 mu meter. It will be very small. We cannot see with our naked eyes. So that's why micrometer is used for that type of organisms which we cannot see with our naked eyes. Examples of such type of organisms are viruses, bacteria, fungus, etc. Now next is our inch. 1 inch is equals to 2 centimeters, 54 meter. Inch is also a measuring unit. We generally use inch for measuring cloth or for measuring a human body also. Next is foot. 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. Foot is most of the time foot is used for measuring our height of a human body. It is generally measured in foot, and it is represented by a it is represented by a apostrophe also. The next is yard. 1 yard is equals to 36 inches. It is a big quantity. Yard is generally used for measuring carpets or some mats or mat area. For that we use this yard unit. Next is our miles. 1 mile is equals to 1.6 kilometer. It is again a very big unit. So it is generally used. Miles is generally used for measuring roads. The next is your acre. 1 acre is equals to 4,840 square meter. Now this acre and this hectare, both these units are used for landforms, for measuring of landforms or plots. So 1 acre is equals to 4,840 square meter. You are aware of this square meter, that this is the unit for area. So whenever we have to find out the area of a landform, it is always in square meter. So this is the equivalent. This many square meters, that is 4,840 square meters, equivalent to 1 acre. Next is hectare. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter. It is much bigger than acre also. It is 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter. So these are the some more units for measuring length. Next we will see some more units for measuring weight. The first is your ounce. Ounce is represented by OZ. Ounce means OZ. Now 1 OZ is equal to 28 gram. This unit is generally not used in India, but out of India we can hear about these measurement units. So 1 ounce is equal to 28 gram. Next is the pound. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces, or you can say 1 pound is equal to 450 gram. Again, pound is also not common in India, but it is a good measuring unit for measuring weight of a human body. It is generally used for measuring weight of human body in other countries, not in India. Next comes our quintal. Quintal is a very large unit. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kgs. So whenever we have to measure very heavy items, very heavy things, we use this quintal. The similar is the ton. Ton is a bit heavier than quintal also. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. So for very heavy items, like for example the weight of a truck or the weight of any building, it is measured in tons. So these are the some units for measuring weight. And next we will see some more units for measuring volume. So for volume, we have only one unit, that is gallon. 1 gallon is equals to 3.785 liter. Okay, so this is also a unit for measuring volume, but the international units for measuring length, weight, and volume are this metric system only. These are the international, these are the basic things, these are the common things. If you are using kilometer anywhere in India or outside India, it will be considered as equal. So this is the international method. Apart from these, we have some more methods for measuring length, weight, and volume. So that's all for today. I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you.